Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to do what? How to monetize your videos, YouTube videos on your phone. So when we record a videos, so sometimes we want to update the video, upload the video sometimes, but you know what? When you upload them on the computer, sometimes it asks you all the time, monetize or whatever. It's easier, but here on the phone you can leave it and do your stuff after. Then you see the video is there, but it's not monetized and you don't have a computer, I don't know what to do. So go download a tool called YouTube Studio. That is a tool. So once you do what, once you you can, after downloading it, for instance, you go to then YouTube, this normal stuff, normal YouTube app on your Android phone. Then you say plus. When you say plus, that's when you're gonna do what? You're gonna choose the video you want to put in. So once you choose the video you want to put in, upload the video. After uploading of the video, what will happen is it won't monetize. So since it won't monetize, what you do after that, you click on this tool. On that tool, then you click on, after when the video is it has uploaded. I've got three, I don't know, three what, it controls a lot of things. Switch off duplicate notifications, whatever. Okay, hi, cool. I've got three what, these are notifications, you get me? So now leave those alone. So you go here, you can do almost everything in this on this software. It's called YouTube Studio. So you download it on your phone. I click on that, then you say videos, click on videos. You can see all these videos are monetized, but there's one video which is not monetized, and also it has 3 views, which is good. Then you click here. Maybe if it was monetized, we're gonna make money. So you can say edit. After clicking on the edit, then you can also select a playlist. In that, you can see here there's monetization. You click on that. After that, you add on that ad. Then after those ads, you click add. You put this, all these, you put them. Choose where video ads should appear before the video, also after the video. Simply means you want to make ads to be displayed before and after the video. That's gonna make give you more chances to make more money if you do that trick. So you switch on all of those, skippable, non-skippable ads, skippable video ads, all videos. You see, it's necessary to do what? To put everything off. But when you say off, all the monetization is off. When you say on, everything is fine. So once you do that, you save. You get me? There are a lot of things you have to do here when after putting the video. So let's wait this to save. Okay, after saving, now what next? You can go and click again, monitor what, edit, and say how to install screen recorder on Ubuntu. You can copy that, and also you can also put more description here and say this video you can say in, you can do everything here on your phone. This video, in case you go for camping, in case you go for holidays, you don't have a computer with you, you have a phone. As long as the phone is charged and you have enough data, you can record your videos. And after recording the videos, you upload them. After uploading them, you monetize them. After I put thumbnails and stuff. You saw our video, this one doesn't have a thumbnail, it didn't have good description. Then say in this video we teach how to install screen recorder. So now we say we try to explain to people what did you teach them in the video. If there are tools you used, you have to also explain the tools you used, if they can be accessible anyway. Also, if you know where they sell them, you can tell them, so that if the person watches the video, is gonna get 100% what support from you, so that he knows. So you can show how to do something, but now you didn't tell them where you bought the tools, which tools you used. So you say in this video we used Ubuntu 19 point something at 10. Okay, come on. Okay, you can, every time you can save in case something happen, and then you can go back. If I can go back, then you can say also we installed vocal screen recorder. Okay, and it is a free software on Ubuntu and other Linux flavors like Linux Mint and Kali Linux. Okay, after that you skip here. You can give it a playlist also. We click on playlist. Please come on. I'm looking for playlist for, you see on the computer you can search here, you cannot search. You go down where you're gonna find Linux, Android, Linux. I'm looking for Linux because it's under Linux. Learn 5G. Wow. Okay, Linux. Okay, get that Linux. Then you go back. It has now the playlist. You can see. Also, you can put tags here. You can say screen recorder. Okay, put a comma. Then you say Ubuntu, or you don't need to. I think you don't need to put a comma here because it's a phone. Then as you can see. Okay, let me try to put the commas. You never know. Okay, Ubuntu. Then you say vocal screen recorder. Then you can say how to use a screen recorder on Linux, on Ubuntu. Okay, then after that you can save your stuff. Let's see how the tag's gonna be looking like. You just come back and say edit. You can see how the tags are look like. So once you're done with that, you can also go you can go and same time you go to your browser and look for poster my wall. Okay, when you're in that, you click on that. We just want to create a quick thumbnail. We all using everything using the phone. You can see, I wonder if it's gonna give us a chance to log in. Let me see. If we log in, it's gonna be easier because it's gonna get the designs we used before, so that we don't get much trouble. Show themes, show sizes. Okay, I would go with this. Okay, then if you want sizes, you can say posters. If you want posters, it can give you posters only. Then after posters, you can select any poster you want. Then you customize this. Then you in. I don't want something which is busy. I would take this. It also looks like a screen recorder. Then customize template. Okay, once you're done with that, you can now write on this. Okay, you can control. I want to control. Paste. Okay, I'm gonna say how. Okay, you can put your text here, paste your text there. Okay, how to install a screen recorder. Okay, you can log in by Facebook, using Facebook. Okay, then it's fine. I don't want to download this for now because I'm still busy with it. Take out this. Giving me some trouble because I'm using a phone. Let me see. Okay. Okay, zoom in. Okay, you can zoom in like that. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I'm gonna auto rotate this side and see if things can go a little bit better. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, guys, I don't want to chow a lot of time. Anyway, we managed to show you how to change that screen recorder, how to monetize your stuff. I wanted to do a couple of things. After creating the image, you're gonna download it, then you save it, then you upload it. You saw how the video was. So now I believe that worked. The image, if you have one on the phone, that's what you can use. But then this one disappointed me because the template did not want to do what I wanted to do. So let's see. Okay, so once you click there, I want to delete that. After deleting it, you can also delete that. Those are things which gonna take a lot of time for us. I'm gonna leave this and I go back to our screen. We see if we did monetize our video. So if you go to videos, you can see that videos, all of them are monetized. You can see this $sign was not green, but now it's green. Simply means everything is monetized. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. You see, we can do everything on your phone.